ALDI Mobile data roaming issues can often be resolved by ensuring roaming is enabled and understanding the basics. Data roaming allows your phone to connect to foreign networks for internet access while traveling, and ALDI Mobile supports roaming in over 210 countries. First, verify that data roaming is activated in your phone's settings. On most devices, this is found under Settings, Mobile Data, or Cellular roaming. Note that roaming rates can be $10 to $15 per day unless bundled in your plan, which ALDI introduced as a $5 day add-on. If the setting is already enabled, try toggling it off and on again. After making these changes, power cycle your phone by turning it off and on again. This simple step can often establish a new connection with the roaming network. If problems persist, move on to the next troubleshooting steps. If you are still facing issues, reach out to ALDI support at 1-855-253-4734. If enabling roaming doesn't work, incorrect APN settings could be the culprit. The APN is a gateway that routes data traffic. For ALDI Mobile, the default APN for data is wholesale with specific proxy settings. To check and edit your APN settings, navigate to that menu, create a new APN, or edit the existing one with the correct details. Additionally, manual network selection can help. Instead of automatic selection, manually choose a carrier network. Go to Settings, Mobile Networks, Network Operators, select manually. This can bypass glitches when automatic mode prioritizes a weaker connection. A common example is manually selecting Deutsche Telekom while roaming in Germany, as AT&T may default to Vodafone. Keep in mind that ALDI, as an MVNO, relies on AT&T's infrastructure, so fixes often mirror AT&T troubleshooting. Ensure the SIM card is updated via ALDI's website and the device supports AT&T bands.